Laggers.
Come on, Harv.
Back on.
This trip through the park literally enhances dogs' brain growth and development. Well, look, there's doors to adventures everywhere we go. Come on. New smells and adventures everywhere, Harv. Socialization is very important to every dog. Harvey, ready? Go get it. Up. Good job. The world around you is full of games to play. Try having your dog balance on benches, jump on curbs. Come on. Now, I'm not allowed to have big dogs in my condo, but when we come here, we get to play with dogs of all shapes and sizes. Come on. You know, it's not just social for the dog, it's social for you. It's a great way to meet other people, make new friends.